I am a freestyle skateboarder. I'm a business owner. I am a community leader. I am an educator. I am Mike Osterman. I grew up freestyle skateboarding in Illinois, and I moved to Long Beach to start Waltz Skateboarding, my company. And the hope with Waltz is to bring freestylers together from all over the world and to make better boards for them. Growing a business can be really challenging, and sometimes it takes blocking out the world to focus on what matters most. Whether it's growing the freestyle community, focusing on my friends and family, or just getting on my board and reminding myself why I love freestyle skating. To me, boundary breaking is being able to be a professional athlete, a business owner, and a community leader all at once. It's something you have to work really hard to do, and it's a bit of a juggling act. But I seriously think that it's essential for growing the community and also for me, just growing as a person.